Hello guys, welcome to log 9. It's 3:37 in the afternoon. I have just done with my work. Now I am going to home. Today's temperature is hotter than past few days temperature and cases of COVID-19 is increasing day by day in Maharashtra state. So government of Maharashtra is planning to lock down again. Nowadays people don't have any seriousness about COVID-19. So they have stopped using face masks. Nasik Mahanagarpalika is charging approx 200 rupees to the people who doesn't wear mask. It's been more than 1 year, still people are suffering from this virus. I don't know when everything will be back to normal. This situation should be sorted as early as possible because this is affecting on many small businesses. And government of India also increasing tax rates, fuel prices and rates of other goods too. Everything becoming costlier day by day and many companies are in loss, so they are cutting salaries of the employees. One side road work is in progress and there is no way to go straight. Contractor should provide road to vehicles which are coming from left side. There was very funny incident happened in morning time when I was coming from my home. Two sadhus were riding on Apache Alter 160 and they don't like when I overtake them. So the rider was overtaking me again and again on speed breakers. He was riding nearly at speed of 96 km per hour. I noticed this and neglected this so many times, but he was doing this continuously. So without entertaining him, I accelerated my bike to 133 km per hour and he was nowhere. I'm not able to capture that incident in my camera because I had not mounted camera on my mobile phone holder. Just look at the city bus in last lane. Wow, how much smoke it is throwing. This is the current situation of Maharashtra Transport Department. That's it for today's vlog. I'm going to end this vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, because whenever you subscribe it will motivate me to improve more. Thank you for watching.